Hairdresser, you might be asking, MJ, why you don't come to my state? Why you don't train us here? Because when I do that, I trained 50 hairdressers, 60 hairdressers. But there is a whole number of hairdressers trying to become a nanoplasty specialist. They just don't have the time to leave. And I'm here to invite you that doesn't have the time to go and watch one lesson. I'm here to say Nanoplasty Specialist is a full course that teaches you every hair type. So you don't need to be writing down everything. I wrote it down for you. I created PDF documents with everything that I'm teaching on the document for you to follow, to make your life easier. So come and enroll right now to the Nanoplasty Specialist course. You're going to receive a certificate at the end, and you can show your customers that you've studied, that you understand about their hair type, and you will never have any fear again of doing a nanoplasty in any hair customer. Add in the comments FLORA, Flora, and we're going to send you the link right now.